So welcome back to the channel. Now this one's a bit of a different video. Basically it's a thank you to Cool Blades and Kobe with the delivery we've just received. They have sent us a selection of items to take a look at, try out and review for them and for us to see what we think of it, and basically just try them out to see what you will think of them as well. So in the next few videos I'm coming, we're going to go through each item we've received, review each one, tell you what we think of it. Also we have a code as well which will be on the videos, which will give everyone that purchases a Kobe item, a Cool Blades branded item or Kumi item, you'll get a 15% discount on that as well. So let's see what's in the box. So here we go.